everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a very cool 1973 AMC Javelin. Really cool car, guys. Finished in, this is factory snow white, I believe is what they call it. Factory black vinyl top, and it's got the black interior. Nice car. This car, it's an older restoration. I believe it was done in the early to mid 90s, but 60-some thousand original miles actually on the car. And it's actually been in a private AMC collection for quite some time. Pretty car, good solid Kentucky body, got a lot of the original paperwork with it, which is pretty cool. Again, factory white car, factory black vinyl top. I put the new wheels and tires on it. Gentleman had a different set of wheels on it that I didn't like. They were aftermarkets. Those are brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs, and of course 15-inch Magnums all the way around it. Really good car. Again, older restoration. There's some things you can nitpick on it. Which, to be honest with you guys, I sell 300 of these things a year. I don't care what you spend. You can nitpick anything. But good, solid, straight car. I think somebody's going to get and just love. Good, straight driver. This stuff here looks original, so you can kind of pick at it a little bit. Again, little ding right there. Original bumpers. You can see they show a little wear, but they're clean and straight. Car hits the road really good. Cool color combination. I liked it with the stripes and the black vinyl top. I know people see this. This is just a check mark letting me know that it's ready to go, guys. My guys have prepped it. Front windshield's been replaced. I believe the rest of the car is original glass. Vinyl top's in great shape. Really good car. And like I say, real good driver. Factory air car. Air does work. It's got the rear deck spoiler on it. Again, these are the original bumpers. Yeah, a few little things like that is what I'm saying. You can kind of nitpick on the car. And again, I'm telling you guys, I've been doing this, a little touch-up mark in the paint. I've been doing this almost 35 years now, guys. You can nitpick all of them. I don't care if they're 200,000, you can nitpick a car. Again, brand new wheels and tires all the way around it. It's got a good sounding H-pipe dual exhaust system on it. My buddy John down in Tennessee is the one who actually found me this car, and he drove it back to his place, and he said it really hits the road good. I haven't driven this car yet, but the guys here have driven it and told me, man, it's just a good car. This is a time of year that sucks a little bit. We get plenty of snow here and salt and nasty roads, so I don't get to jump in them as often as I want to and take them cruising. Factory front disc brakes. Original 304 two-barrel car. Stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, factory air car. I believe that's original radiator. They've added some electric fans. 3-speed automatic trans. Manual front disc brakes, stock air cleaner and valve covers. Couple little touch-up marks right there. Probably some stone pecks they've touched up. And I wouldn't do anything to it, guys. I mean, I'd turn the key and go drive this car and have some fun with it. I've ordered new floor mats for it. That's the one thing I had to do. Those are taking quite a bit of time to get in, but that's kind of anything. Parts are a little tough to come by right now. Factory body colored mirror. This stainless and stuff is really nice. Those are just fingerprints on it. Original door handles. I believe these are original. Again, this is all original interior. I think most of the interior is original. Original door tag. Original body tag. Again, I've ordered floor mats to it. I believe this interior is original, guys. I'm no, you can see where they've kind of done some touch-up paint there in the jambs. I think some of that's actually original. I tried to look it up, and they did offer a cloth. I don't know if that's the exact pattern in 73, but bucket seats, factory console. The little center console there is a little loose. I did notice that. They put some aftermarket speakers in here on the floor. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Factory wood grain dash. 63,194 on your odometer there. These cars are like a spaceship when you get in them, man. I think they're pretty cool. Again, bucket seats, console. It's got an aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. Again, H-pipe dual exhaust system in it. It's got the factory rear end, not a big gear either, guys. It's got air shocks in the rear. Just a little dust if you see that, guys. That's just a little... Original owner's card, original owner's manuals. You can see a lot of the original paperwork. This is some just a few little receipts on the restoration. Again, they put air shocks, the fills right there. I believe it's had a lower quarter put on the passenger side. The underneath is very original. Didn't look like they put any pans or anything like that in it to me. Like I say, just a good straight old car, guys. I think if you're looking for something to jump in, turn the key, and have some fun, I think you'll have a blast with this car. Again, these are original door rubbers. So this here, I believe, is original paint to the car. Snow White, they call it. Again, you can see that console's a little split here in your armrest. There's your glove box. The dash is good, no splits or anything in that. It looks good, and they look like an airplane when you get in here. Again, this console lid is a little bit loose. I don't even know if it locks actually. Like I say, car hits the road great. Really runs and drives good. Go ahead and kick your air on. Like I say, air blows cold. Just a good, straight old car, guys. This body style is pretty cool. It's not easy to find. The majority of them that I go look at when I try to buy them, they're pretty rough. It's pretty, like I say, pretty nice old car. Your little seatbelt light still works. Looks like all your gauges are functional. Got good sound. Radio work. Power's up. We definitely got power. Yeah, I can hear it. There you go. Yep, it works. Blower motor does work, guys. Oh, I like the song on there. Again, Make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Great way to find out as soon as I advertise a car, you get a notification. You can do that by clicking a little button there in the bottom of the video there. Good looking car.